In today's video, you will discover the real benefits of the age-old superfood, onion. Surely everyone is familiar with onions, right? Some people love them while others hate them, often due to their reputation for causing bad breath or tears during chopping. But have you considered the various health benefits of onions? It's fascinating how even the tears from onion cutting can be advantageous. What if I told you that eating 2 onions per week reduces the risk of laryngeal, ovarian, and kidney cancer? Historically, onions have been valued for more than their culinary use. Their therapeutic properties are notable. They boast antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer qualities, hypoglycemic, and antioxidant properties, alongside being rich in vitamins and fiber. Before we delve deeper, let's discuss in the comments. Do you regularly include onions in your diet? Are you fully utilizing their health benefits, or might you be missing out on some? Get ready to discover 7 surprising benefits of onions. And trust me, the 5th benefit will amaze you. Also, stick around till the end for valuable tips on how to properly handle onions and even how to get rid of the dreaded onion breath. Number 1. Improves heart health and helps reduce bad cholesterol. Incorporating onions into your diet is beneficial for heart health and adds flavor to your journey towards better well-being. Onions are rich in quercetin, a powerful antioxidant. Quercetin effectively combats inflammation in the body and is vital for relaxing muscle fibers and enhancing the elasticity of blood vessels. These qualities are instrumental in lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, and regulating blood pressure, both key factors in preventing heart diseases. Additionally, they play a significant role in preventing heart attacks. If you're a fan of red onions, there's even more to celebrate. This variety is particularly high in anthocyanins, a potent antioxidant. Research indicates that regular consumption of anthocyanins, particularly in substantial daily amounts, significantly reduces the risk of heart attacks. This finding adds to the already impressive list of cardiovascular benefits provided by red onions. 2. A powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Onions are renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties, primarily due to bioactive compounds like allicin. Allicin is a notable phytochemical, recognized for its antibacterial and antiviral qualities. Also, onions contain quercetin, a flavonoid known for its strong anti-inflammatory effects. Quercetin acts as an antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals that contribute to cellular damage and trigger inflammatory processes. The amino acids present in onions help eliminate toxic substances from the body, facilitating the elimination of heavy metals like lead, cadmium, and arsenic by the liver. This prevention of toxin accumulation in the liver is key to averting certain diseases, underscoring the importance of detoxifying foods in our diet. Furthermore, the presence of vitamin C combined with the antioxidants in onions strengthens the immune defenses. This ability to combat inflammation and reduce mucus in the respiratory tract helps strengthen the body against flu, colds, and infections in general. 3. Improves brain health, mood, and sleep. Onions provide remarkable benefits not only for physical health, but also for mental well-being, influencing mood and sleep. They are rich in folic acid, which plays a vital role in increasing blood flow to the brain, thereby enhancing the delivery of oxygen and essential nutrients. Allicin, present in onions, aids in relaxing blood vessels, thus reducing the risk of blood clot formation and potentially preventing strokes. Additionally, the folate in onions is significant in combating depression. It helps prevent the accumulation of excess homocysteine, which can restrict blood flow to the brain. Folate's effectiveness extends to regulating homocysteine levels, which are crucial for the production of hormones like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. These hormones are essential for regulating mood, sleep, and appetite. 4. Enhances bone health. This bulb also plays a key role in protecting bones, preventing bone loss that can lead to osteoporosis and bone fragility. Osteoporosis is a concern, especially for women after menopause. A study involving over 500 pre- and postmenopausal women demonstrated that those who included onions in their daily diet had a bone density about 5% higher than those who did not. Furthermore, older women who included more onions in their diet showed a 20% lower risk of hip fractures. 5. Onion promotes the health of your hair and skin. Onions are remarkable for their positive impact on hair and skin health. Their high vitamin C content stimulates collagen production in the body. Collagen is essential for maintaining skin's resilient structure, promoting cell regeneration, skin elasticity, and hydration, which results in smooth and radiant skin. Additionally, collagen strengthens hair, enhancing its resistance, thickness, and shine. The dual benefits of onions in fortifying these tissues make them a valuable addition to your wellness regimen. Liking our video so far? Before we move on to the next benefit of incorporating onions into your diet, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative videos. 6. Helps regulate blood sugar. Diabetes, a prevalent disease characterized by elevated blood sugar levels, can be better managed with the help of onions. Onions are particularly beneficial for those seeking to regulate their blood sugar, especially for individuals with diabetes. Onions contain fructooligosaccharides, which are instrumental in reducing excess glucose levels in the blood. Additionally, they are rich in quercetin, which aids in controlling blood sugar and preventing insulin resistance. It's also important to highlight the presence of chromium in onions. This essential mineral improves cellular response to glucose, thereby helping to manage hyperglycemia or high blood sugar levels. 7. Contains anti-cancer properties. In addition to adding flavor to dishes, onions can be an ally in cancer prevention. Studies have shown a significant correlation between regular onion consumption and the reduction of the risk of certain types of cancer, such as colon, esophagus, prostate, and stomach. The antioxidants in onions, known for their anti-tumor properties, make them a nutritious and beneficial choice for safeguarding against cancer. Incorporating 2 onions per week into your diet can markedly decrease cancer risks, with a 56% reduction in laryngeal cancer, a 43% decrease in ovarian cancer, and a 25% lower risk of kidney cancer. Moreover, for individuals who consume a whole onion daily, the benefits are even more impressive. Statistics indicate a 56% reduction in colorectal cancer risk and an 88% decrease in the risk of oral cancer, further underscoring the potent anti-cancer effects of onions. Why onion breath shouldn't scare you. A frequent concern about consuming onions is their tendency to cause persistent bad breath, primarily due to the sulfur compounds they contain. This odor can remain for hours, even after proper brushing. However, before you fear onion breath, there's a compelling reason to overlook this minor inconvenience. In addition to the previously mentioned benefits, onions are positive for dental aesthetics. Their fluoride content, when onions are consumed in moderation, supports oral health, leading to a healthier mouth and a more radiant smile. This makes the temporary issue of onion breath a small price to pay for such significant dental benefits. Here's a helpful tip. To neutralize bad breath caused by onions, try consuming apples, carrots, cucumbers, lemon juice, ginger, mint, or even boldo tea. These ingredients are effective in neutralizing the odor. And there's an interesting twist. Recall our earlier discussion about the tears onions induce? Surprisingly, the gas released by onions that causes us to cry has its own set of benefits. This gas acts as a natural detoxifier and cleanser for the eyes. It not only provides relief from eye irritation, but also assists in removing foreign particles, such as specks of dust. This unexpected advantage adds another dimension to the already extensive list of benefits provided by onions. Remember, it's crucial to wash your hands thoroughly after cutting onions and before touching your eyes. This precaution helps avoid potential eye irritation from the onion residues. If you'd prefer to avoid tears altogether, there are effective methods to consider. Soaking onions for a few minutes or chopping them in a container of water can prevent the release of the tear-inducing gas. Onions come in various types, including yellow, white, and red, each offering its unique benefits. Given their numerous health advantages, it's worth considering incorporating them more frequently into your diet. Onion consumption is generally safe. However, individuals with gastric issues might experience unpleasant reactions like heartburn or reflux. This is often due to the presence of fructans, short-chain carbohydrates, that can make onions harder to digest for those with sensitivities. And here's an additional tip for when you're buying onions. Carefully inspect the bulb. Choose onions that are firm, have dry skins, are intact, and feel heavy for their size. It's advisable to avoid onions that are bruised or show signs of mold, as these may not be as fresh or healthy. What is the optimal way to consume onions for maximum benefit? Onions are highly versatile and can be enjoyed both raw and cooked, making them a staple in various cuisines. To best activate their chemical compounds, it is recommended to include around 100 grams of onions in your daily diet. You can add them to salads for a raw intake, or use them as a condiment in cooked dishes alongside garlic with meats, fish, and vegetables. Consuming a portion of onions raw is crucial, as it ensures the preservation of their nutrients more effectively. While cooking onions is beneficial, be aware that it can lead to a slight loss of some nutrients. For those who love cooking, onions offer incredible versatility as an ingredient. They can enhance bread, risottos, soups, biscuits, quiches, pies, and pâtés. They also shine as a garnish in snacks, especially when caramelized, included in vinaigrettes, or transformed into breaded delights like onion rings. Now we're curious to hear from you. Were you aware of all these benefits of onions? How do you incorporate them into your meals? Do you have any unique tips or recipes? Please share with us in the comments. If you're interested in staying updated about health and wellness topics, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Allow the notifications to get alerted when we release new videos. For more insights on health, nutrition, and natural remedies, you might also find additional interesting videos popping up on your screen right now. Feel free to click on any of them, or even better, watch both to continue your knowledge journey with us. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye!